guys, in today's Python DSA video, this is our last video of Python DSA and this video is about the summary and conclusion. Okay, so let me tell you something. Review the lecture before video, execute the Jupyter notebooks, complete the assignments and attempt the optional questions, so that the topics that we have covered it, that they can consolidate it, you do not ever have to look at this lecture again, right? So practice it. What really reinforces and consolidates your learning. Complete the assignments and attend the optional questions to practice and participate in forum discussions. Also very useful when you participate in forum discussions. Why by answering questions, a lot of your own doubts get clear. So do practice, participate in forum discussions, and then join or start group if possible, and getting together with a group of 4 or 5 people is great. It really helps you focus and improve your understanding by discussions. So that's the data structures and algorithms in Python. So with that, thank you very much for joining us on this journey as we learn data structures and algorithms in Python, a very useful topic to improve your coding skills, and also something that you will almost certainly encounter in one of your interviews, no matter which company you are applying to. So I hope this is helpful to you. Do let us know on the forum how this course help you. If it did, you can let us know in the YouTube comments as well if you have a questions. If something was not clear, do post that too, and we will make sure to come up with clearer explanations and clearer examples the next time. If you have any feedback for us, do post it in the comments or send us. So okay, and email at support. And then with that, I will take leave and I will see you in the forums. And this is not the end of our journey. But you stay active on Ryan. There's a lot of great activity happening. Do check out the forums, the newsletter, and stay tuned for our next course. Thank you and goodbye.